We are about to, we have isolated the motor because we believe it blew the fuses, but we're trying to determine if it's the motor or the VFD that's blowing the fuses. So we're finna turn it back on and see what happened. We are having to bypass the VFD drive on this unit due to it failing. So we're gonna have to wire it straight to get airflow. The reason it's failed because it's got so much moisture like continuously, and the drive is damaged now. I have bypassed the VFD drive and I'm about to flip the disconnect and see if it runs. Yes. That's it. That VFD must have been failing intermittently.
Yep. Not even calling.
We have installed the contactor to prevent the blower wheel from running 24/7, and we're just waiting on the call from the thermostat for it to pull in. The unit now has a call from the thermostat. The blower contactor has pulled in, and we have cooling. So this is a care package unit. We came here, found it frozen up. The VFD had failed, so we bypassed the VFD, and we end up installing a contactor, so the unit won't run continuously, and we pretty much verified the operation.